Craving for a cup of tea? Just wait and watch this. Hey everyone, today I'll be sharing with you a range of herbal tea options which you can include in your daily routine to boost your health, which will also refresh your day. Herbal teas are great for your overall health and well-being. All you have to do is to replace your regular milk tea just for a day and instead make yourself a cup full of goodness. Believe me, your body will thank you for all this goodness. After all, our body is the only place where we truly live, right? Herbal teas are safe to consume daily in moderation, which will provide you with all its health benefits. Also, in order to get the best out of your herbal teas, just be sure that they contain only the fresh or dried plant parts and nothing else, like taste enhancers or sugars, which will just ruin your health. You can use a decoction or infusion method to prepare your herbal teas. You may even add honey for mild sweetness. Drinking herbal teas can improve your overall health. So, as promised, here's a list of top 11 herbal tea options for you to try. Just go ahead and pick your cup of goodness. Number 1. Yerba mate tea. Originally, yerba mate is a traditional South American drink, which is considered as one of the healthiest drinks in the world. Yerba mate tea offers impressive health benefits, ranging from improved mental ability to healthy, stronger bones, due to it being immensely rich in antioxidants and nutrients. Its major health benefits includes increased mental ability, focus and alertness, enhanced body's physical performance. It lowers the blood sugar levels and reduces the complications of diabetes. It protects the liver and has diuretic properties. Number 2. Dandelion tea. Dandelion has been used as a folk remedy since ages in the form of herbal medicine. Dandelion tea is a rich source of many vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Its major health benefits include it treats skin conditions like psoriasis, detoxifies body. Its tea is beneficial, particularly in flu season, as it has high antiviral properties. It also acts as a mild liver cleanser and thus helps the liver to regenerate and function at a higher capacity. Number 3. Peppermint tea. Peppermint is a versatile herb. Drinking peppermint tea can help you in several ways, as it is a great health tonic. It is rich in antioxidants, vitamin A, minerals like folate, iron and magnesium. Drinking peppermint tea promotes dental health, improves digestion, boosts immune system, helps in healthy weight loss. It also has adaptogenic and anti-inflammatory properties. Number 4. Ginger tea. Ginger has been traditionally used in various forms for its health benefits. Ginger tea is a soothing beverage. Its health benefits include treats respiratory problems, improves blood circulation, boosts immune system, treats stress, nausea and inflammation. Number 5. Lemon balm tea. Lemon balm is an essential herb. Its tea has a mild sweet citrus taste, which is good for lifting the gloomy mood. Today it is highly prized for its surprising health benefits, which includes body detoxification, as it is packed with antioxidants, lowering blood pressure by removing the bad cholesterol, maintains the health of skin and hair, stimulates blood circulation, helps in fluid retention. Number 6. Green tea. Green tea contains a rich blend of organic compounds and thus delivers a number of health benefits. Drinking green tea can significantly increase one's lifespan because of the high amounts of antioxidants it contains. It provides improved dental health. Being a source of powerful antioxidants, it reduces the risks of certain types of cancer. It also improves brain function. Studies shows that it aids in weight loss, particularly abdominal fat. Green tea may lower your risk of type 2 diabetes. Number 7. Moringa tea. Moringa has recently gained popularity as a mainstream superfood due to its high nutrition profile. Moringa tea has a little earthy taste and contains a variety of nutrients like proteins, vitamins and minerals which have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties on the body. In short, it enhances the function of our immune system. It acts as an effective antidepressant and treats mood disorders like depression and anxiety. It supports brain and bone health among others. Number 8. Tulsi tea. Tulsi is commonly known as the holy basil. Its tea has many therapeutic effects and can be used to treat a variety of health conditions. Some of the health benefits include: it provides skin and hair benefits, it helps in healthy weight loss, it treats digestive, respiratory, cardiovascular issues, it is a natural adaptogen. Besides, it also takes care of our dental health. Number 9. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon tea is a healthy beverage and is linked to many health benefits. Its tea is made by infusing cinnamon bark in hot water. Its tea has antiviral, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties and thus boosts the immune system of the body. It is capable of treating neurological diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. It helps in maintaining healthy heart by lowering bad cholesterol. It also helps in weight loss. Number 10. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is popularly consumed worldwide as a herbal remedy to treat a variety of health conditions. The tea is known for its tart taste. It is an excellent source of antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins. It regulates blood pressure by lowering the LDL cholesterol in the body. It is a natural weight loss booster. It improves digestion and treats chronic illnesses like atherosclerosis. Number 11. Sage tea. Sage is a popular herb and has many medicinal applications. Sage tea is made by infusing its leaves in hot water. It has high concentrations of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It treats excessive sweating, heartburn, insomnia, age-related cognitive disorders like Alzheimer's, Parkinson, and it also helps in healthy weight loss and body detoxification. So folks, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please like and share. Also subscribe to the channel for all coming video updates. Did you know drinking herbal teas has benefits that can keep you healthy without taking extra medications? Do you agree? Please share your opinions in the comment section below.